And in this video we are assembling the Easter cross box card. So all the pieces are laid out, and I want to, in this file you have this piece like this, and this is the front of the box, okay? So just so you're aware that that's what that piece is. And we're just going to start assembling our pieces here. I'm going to do a little bit of inking. And center this right on the front. Now the sun, we're going to put on the card first so that it looks like it's coming up from behind the hill. And there is just a slight border, so and just line that up. Let's move these pieces. And then your grass hill is going to be over your sun. And that's what gives it the appearance of it rising, okay? And for your side panels, you want to flip your card over and apply your side panels to the opposite side so that they're on the outside of your card. And you're just going to center those in the spot. And there is a panel for the back of this card. This is completely optional. This blue is light enough that you could write on it. And then we're just going to go ahead and put the front of our card on. Excuse me. Okay. And now we're just going to assemble all of our pieces. So this is the back piece, this is the front piece. And now let's work on our cross. Oh no, I wanted that to be blue. I guess now it's going to be brown. You could emboss these crosses with a wood grain pattern. I think that would look pretty cool. And what I'm going to do to make it look like this is draping around is I'm going to put one of my cloth pieces on first before I put the cross on. And then I'm going to put the cross on. And I think I'm going to use we're going to put our pieces inside the card. So I'm going to start with the back, and I'm going to put glue on the tab. And apply pressure, then put that over like that. Go to the next piece. Now we're going to lay this right in front of this one. Push it shut. I like to stand it up, touch my pieces on the table so that I know that they're straight. And now go to the next piece, the last piece. There we are. And then I'm going to fold them all back this way so that the tabs are lined up. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to apply glue to each tab. I'll hold it up so I can see it better because they're all blending together with all this green. And then I'm going to bring the side over and just sandwich that shut. Then put glue on the tab of your base. Bring this over and close your card. Work it both ways. And now there is your cross box card. Thank you for joining me.